Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the secret trading view indicator that give you 100% win rate in every trade. This strategy you can use not only for the scalping but also for day trading. Plus this strategy can be used for the Forex, crypto and stock market as well. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here we are going to have two indicators. The first indicator is chandelier exit by Everget. 8,443 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. The second indicator is relative strength index. You have to click it twice for getting 2 times, and then you have to simply close it. Now we have to go for the adjustment of each indicator one by one. From here we have to change the settings of chandelier exit. For this we have to uncheck few of the options in the style. You can see it very carefully. From here also we will change this, and then we will go into the inputs tab. From this we have to change it from 22 to 1 ATR period, and ATR multiplier we will change from 3 to 2. Click OK. And now we have to rather we will keep it 3. This is better. ATR multiplier 3 is better, so we will click it OK. And now we will go into the adjustment of RSI indicator one by one. The first indicator RSI length we will change from 14 to 100, and the style we have to uncheck RSI based MA, and we have to change its color from purple to yellow, and we will increase the thickness of this line. Click OK. Now the second RSI adjustment, we have to uncheck this RSI based MA, and its color we will change from purple to white, and thickness we will increase. Now we will go into the input. We will change its RSI length from 14 to 25, and we have to click OK. Now these both are settled, but we will go into the more option of first RSI, and we have to click on move to, and we will click on existing band below to merge both of these RSIs. Again we will go into the more, and we have to click on pin to scale now A, then we have to click on pin to scale Z, and now this has been the setting is complete. Now we will see when to take the buy position and when to take the sell position. First of all, I will tell you when to take the long position. We have to see this buy label in the chandelier exit indicator. This will give us a buy signal. We have to wait for this. The second thing that we have to see is the green color candles should appear above. The third thing that we have to see that are this 100 based this 25 based MA should cross this yellow color or 100 based RSI, and if it cut it and cross it and go above, then we have to take the trade for the buy signal. And if it touches the zero level signal and it is coming above and touch it, it means you have to take the trade for the buy signal. Okay, conversely, if we see for the sell signal, we have to see that our first thing that we need to receive the sell the signal by the chandelier exit indicator. The second thing that we have to see that red color candles are appearing, and the third thing that our this 25 based MA line should cross the 100 based MA line, and it is going below. So when these all conditions are met, we are able to enter into the market for the sell or for the bearish signal. If we go into any other market, for example in the gold, we have to see and we have to check that when to enter into the market for the buy signal and when to enter into the for the sell. Here as you can see, this is the oversold level. So whenever our market gets to this level, then it means that and the market is going to take the trend reversal. So if we are getting this buy signal here. It means we are going to have the buy signal, and you have seen a big candle appeared after this buy signal, and from here our market has taken trend reversal, and as it will take the trade the 25 RSI line, then we have to take the trade for the buy signal. For the sell signal, conversely, if we see, this is the sell signal by chandelier exit indicator. The second thing that we have to see, that red color candles should appear, and then our white color line or 25 based RSI line should be crossing this yellow color or 100 based MA line. So if these all three conditions are fulfilled, it means that you are able to enter into the market for the sell or for the bearish trend. So this is all clear about the strategy from these examples. If you like this strategy, do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Good luck for your trading. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.